is the summary of our insights as well as some recommendations. First, as mentioned earlier, promoters or those with high NPS are more likely to increase their spending compared to those with lower scores. So this establishes the relationship between customer experience and revenue. Moreover, the shift of a detractor to a passive is a significant improvement. So it already boosts the likelihood of spending growth, as we can see here in the graph. So the spike here is at NPS 6, so which is the highest score for a detractor, and it's 1 point away from being a passive. So basically, it tells us that just being close to passive status is already a significant. Next, we also look at intents and concerns, and as you can see here, in NCR, where majority of the users reside, so those with concerns on connectivity are less likely to increase their spending. So we recommend that the company focus on the top areas in NCR with issues in connectivity, which are Quezon City, Manila, and Caloocan. So for instance, they can start with increasing the knowledge of the agents when it comes to handling connectivity concerns, because as you can see, for telco users, connectivity is an important concern. So moving on, we have here the spending needs. So users usually spending 1 to 20 and 50 to 100 with an NPS of at least 6 are 30% more likely to increase their spending compared to those with an NPS. So we recommend including these users in targeted efforts. So to boost revenue, one way to do this is by focusing on their usual concerns. So these are products and services and connectivity. Lastly, we have for the location, we have South Luzon and Visayas as the areas with the highest spending potential. So to boost revenue, the company can enhance the experience of these users, and they can do this by digging deeper on their visual concerns or the issues encountered in these regions, which are products and services and connectivity. So as you can see, products and services and connectivity are two of the most significant in it. So we believe that focusing on these concerns will help the company to serve the customers better. So to wrap everything up, through our model, we were able to establish the relationship between customer experience and revenue. So our analysis clearly demonstrates that improvements in customer experience lead to increased revenue. That is why we hope that our model, as well as the presented insights, will help our sponsors to know what things to improve, what to work on, so that they can enhance customer experience and in turn boost customer sales. That would be all. Thank you.